I have unboxed my new sewing machine. It is a Brother Stellaire Disney machine. It is embroidery and a sewing machine. On the table are most of the parts that were included, including this accessory box, some feet, and some miscellaneous supplies underneath there. This is the walking foot, the embroidery foot, embroidery bobbin, thread holder, foot pedal, knee lift, some stabilizer, some bobbin thread, and over here is the luggage. It comes with two pieces of luggage, one for the embroidery module and one for the sewing machine. Has wheels on it, very nice. And these are the 4 hoops. 9.5 by 14, 9.5 by 9.5, I believe 5 by 7, and 4 by 4. And that is the sewing table when I'm not using the embroidery module. And the owner's manual.